See that beta. Now question number 2. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 13. Okay. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 13. See that. If I will take, means two integers, let the integers are minus 13 and 0. Okay, then what he is saying that whose sum means plus, minus 13 plus 0, what result will come? Minus 13. It may be one answer, and many more other answer can be for this question. Not only minus 13 plus 0, you can think many other answers also. Like that, I am just looking minus 6 and minus 7. Suppose are two integers. This is second part. Second part means one answer is this one. If suppose I am taking minus 6 and minus 7, what will happen? I have to take sum of these one, plus minus 6 plus minus 7, plus into minus again, minus 7 minus 6. See that two opposite sign numbers are always added. Add them. 7 plus 6, 13. And with their sign means whatever same sign they will have, minus 13. In this way you can, it doesn't mean that if you will try to match the answer from your answer sheet, it is not necessary that your answer will match with the answer sheet. You can think other than exercise answer also. Okay, it depends on your logic that what you are thinking over that. Okay, now come to the second part of the question. Difference is minus 12. Okay, see that question number 2. Difference is minus 12. See that. If I will take, let A is equal to suppose minus 22 and B is equal to 10. Difference we have to take and answer should come minus 12. Just try to think over it. Okay, minus 22 and second one also you have to take minus 10. And what is saying difference? For difference, what sign will come in middle of them? Minus. So second number we have taken minus 10. What it will be now? Minus 22 plus 10. Okay, now just see why this plus has come. This minus and minus will become plus. Write that minus into minus is equal to plus. Now rule of addition of or subtraction of integers will be applied. Two opposite sign number are always subtracted. Now subtract 22 minus 10. What it will be? 12. Okay, with greater value sign, greater number having this sign, minus, so minus 12 will come. So it may be possible that the same answer is written in your answer sheet. I have not seen there, and it may not be possible that this will not be answer. So don't think that ma'am has done wrong, or you can think the answer apart from this one also. Okay, many more answer, infinite number of answers we can search for these questions. Okay, now come to the C part. Sum is 0. C is sum is 0. Sum is 0 means one positive sign number or one negative sign number of same value. If we are adding them, then always sum comes. You have learned this one as additive identity, additive inverse of any number. Suppose I have taken, suppose A is equal to minus 5 and B is equal to 5. So if I will take their sum, minus 5 plus 5. Okay, minus 5 plus 5 always comes 0. So in this way you can write minus 7 plus 7, minus 2 plus 2, minus 10 plus 10, and many more answer. Infinite numbers of answer can be for this question. In this way, 3 part of this question I have done myself. D and E part will be your homework part from this question. D and E, you will search yourself that what can be the answers or what can be a pair of integers for these questions. Okay, now we are, after this we are moving to the next question. Now see that, come to the question number 3rd. Write a pair of negative numbers. Means this time we have to take both the numbers as negative. Means negative integers we have to take, whose difference is minus 25. Means if we will subtract both the numbers, that what result should come? Minus 25 should come. See that I am taking A is equal to minus 40 and B is equal to minus 25. Just see what happens. Okay, no, minus 25 should come. I am taking minus 15. Okay, just see. Write a pair of negative numbers whose difference is minus 25. If I will take the difference of these two numbers, difference is equal to minus 40 for the difference. Okay, difference, what sign should come? Minus sign should come, and second number is minus 50. What will happen? Minus 40, they are both, what I will write, minus into minus for the second, for opening this bracket. What will come? Plus. Okay, see, means in place of these two sign, now I will write plus 15. Okay, now see that I am making arrows here so that you may understand. These are which rules of addition and subtraction of integers will be applied. Two opposite sign numbers are always subtracted with the greater value sign in the resultant. See that, subtract 40 minus 15, what will be? 25 will come, and what will be the, and what we have written? Subtracted with the greater value sign in the resultant. Resultant is 25 and greater number having what sign? Minus 25. See that? Okay, in this way you can further search what can be the other pairs of answers for this question. See that what in the question was given. Write a pair of negative numbers whose difference is minus 25. What I have selected, I have taken two numbers. Suppose A is equal to minus 40 and B is equal to minus 50. Then difference we have to take. What I have done, in between of both the numbers we will put minus sign, and second number is of minus, so we will put this number in bracket. Many children, again I am showing you, they are writing like that, minus 40 minus 15. This is wrong way to write. You will not write in this way. But whenever two signs are coming together, always second value should be, it should be inside the bracket. Automatically you have to do this yourself. Okay, now see that here multiplication of integers rules will be applicable. Why? Because two sign, never two sign should come together. For that always we are making, for this we have learned four rules were there. Plus into minus, minus into minus, like that. Four answers were there. Okay, we will apply that. Minus into minus, minus and minus both are coming together. So what resultant sign will come? Plus. So it will become plus 15 now. First number will remain as same. Now rules of addition and subtraction of integers we will apply. Two opposite sign numbers are always subtracted. Now subtract them. 40 minus 15, 25. With greater value sign in the resultant. This is resultant final answer. And what is the greater value sign? Minus 25 in this way. So it is not difficult. You people are not following the rules. That's why it always becomes difficult for you. And this is very important chapter. If you will have all the doubts, all the concept clear in this chapter, then you will not have any other problem in the further upcoming chapters of your book. Okay, now we are moving to the next question.